How to verify Coinbase account for trading. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to verify your Coinbase account for trading. So you must first complete the KYC process by providing a government issued ID as well. So first thing first, sign into your Coinbase and go to verify your info or settings to start. Then you just want to make sure to choose your ID type, then select or then take clear well-lit photos of the front and the back of the document issued. Then you have to submit a live clear selfies of your face and enter your legal name, date of birth, and address, ensuring they match your document. You then need to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card for deposit withdrawals. You will receive an email confirmation once the verification process is successful, usually within 10 to 24 hours. And use a mobile phone for a photo upload is often easier than a webcam. You could also make sure photos are clear, readable, and not blurred as well. And this is how you're supposed to verify Coinbase account for trading. And it might take a day, so you just have to make sure to be patient enough. So thanks for watching. See you in a next video.